Hey guys, hey tea gangs, you're welcome back once again to my channel. Okay, so you guys know when you see me with food recipe, you know that's what I've been craving, or that's what I'm craving, and I just had to bring it to reality. Okay, so on today's video, guess what? I'm gonna be making for the first time OFE ONUGBU. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna be making OFE ONUGBU. Okay, so after much YouTube recipe, thank God for YouTube content creators, I think I have my, in fact, YouTube University, I think I have my ingredients right here. I didn't get some from the African shop, so I just had to improvise. You know how it is now in this country that we are. Okay, so right here I have my Tripe. We call it a Shaki towel. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna put the name there, but we'll call it Tripe in Italiano. So that was how I got it. And this is my fresh beef. This is my dry fish. I couldn't get what's it called, the other dry catfish, so I just had to improvise, and I got this dry fish from the African shop. So I've got my Scotch Bonnet, because from the recipe I watched, they say that they use this one. Okay, so hopefully everything comes out nice. Igbo kwenu. Anyway, so by the way, before you start judging me, I'm from Edo State, like I'm Ishan, so you know that this soup is not a soup that will cook regularly. That, like, this is not the soup that will just cook normally, right? So this is my first time trying it, and later I'm gonna do testing the microphone so that you guys I can tell you guys if it comes out nice or not. Okay, so this is my crayfish, grounded crayfish. This is my stock fish, and this is my palm oil. I heard that this palm oil is very good, so I got this one. And this is the star of the day. This is the dried bitter leaf. Like, this is the bitter leaf. As you can see, it's inside the water. I'm soaking it, and then I'm going to wash it because I need it later for the soup. And this is my Quaker Oat. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys quickly. So I wanted to use what's it called, Cocoyam, for this recipe, but I went to the African shop and I couldn't get Cocoyam. Okay, so I realized that from another story I watched, they said I can use Quaker Oat to improvise. So yeah, I'm using Quaker Oat. And I've got I'm supposed to use what's it called, I'm supposed to use Ogiri, but I couldn't get that, so I'm gonna use this Locust beans. If you know, you know. I just hope it comes out nice as well. Okay, so let's get to cooking. So guys, previously I forgot to tell you, like, I'm gonna be adding maggi cubes, and I have my salt for seasoning. Okay, right now the meat is ready. All I'm doing is just taking out the stock and the tripper, transferring it to this pot, and later I'm gonna use the stock to make the soup. Okay, so guys, now I have my stock ready, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put my crayfish inside the stock because I'm going to use the stock to make the soup. Okay, so now we are in the soup part, and then now, as you can see, I'm adding my grounded Atarodo pepper. That's my Scotch Bonnet. After the crayfish, I add my Scotch Bonnet, and now I'm gonna add my locust beans. Okay, if you know, you know. That thing doesn't smell so nice, but it makes your soup it gives it its own African flavor. Okay, so now I just added my fish, my dried fish, and I'm going to let it simmer for like 15 minutes, and then I'm going to add all the proteins, as you can see right here. I'm adding my proteins. So guys, right now I've added the mixed Quaker Oat, added it to my soup as a thickener. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that melt naturally so I can get that thick texture. Okay, and after that I'm gonna add my palm oil. And so after adding my palm oil, I'm gonna add my washed bitter leaf. Okay, I'm gonna add my washed bitter leaf, and then I'm going to close it, and voila. So guys, my OFE ONUGBU is ready. But anyway, up to this point, it's so cute, like, so, you know, I'm still waiting for it to get thick though. See, the texture is looking good already. So yeah, my OFE ONUGBU is ready. I hope I made you guys proud, my Igbo brothers and sisters. Chai, man. So guys, as you can see, my OFE ONUGBU is ready. You can serve with any swallow of your choice, but trust me, I had mine with better poundo yam. We go Harvard. Thank you so much for watching. Do have an amazing day. Bye bye. This one enter.